Hi everyone, this is NursCode channel. Today we will continue our many-to-many relationships videos because there is also one useful method in many-to-many relationships called sync. Sync method is used to synchronize the relationship. It accepts an array of ID to place in the intermediate table. Any IDs that are not in the given array will be removed from the intermediate table, so it overrides the exist relationship. Usually sync method uses for updating current relationships. So let's move to our project. Here is our web.php file, but first of all I need to show you our database. So here is category quote table, and as we can see, for example, second quote have a five categories, and third quote is also have 5 categories. This is our categories table, and they have all categories, and now we need to sync them correctly. So let's move to our PHP storm. We will make a new road called, we will call it sync as a second argument. Function, and here we will retrieve our second quote. First we will retrieve our second quote. So quote find quote with ID 2. Yes, and now we will use this quote and apply. For first we need to apply categories method, because we wrote categories method in quote model as a binding method. Categories, then we should use sync, and here we must give some array items. So now second quote has a 5 categories. Let's become it lower to 2. For example, second and fourth, maybe. Yes. So after this we should clear our cache. Yes, PHP artisan road cache, PHP artisan config cache. So let's move to our browser. This is our main page, and let's move to sync. I guess it's executed well, and let's refresh our table. So as we can see, now the second quote has only 2 categories, second and fourth. And let's do the same for the third quote, but let's imagine that we don't know the categories ID. So first of all, maybe we need to find this categories ID, like categories, I forgot $, categories IDs equal to category model. I guess we're in name. As a second argument we will use array. For example, let's move to our categories table. For example, we need only knowledge and love and knowledge. So first will be love and knowledge. I guess I wrote it right. But we need only IDs. That's why we will use plug method and type IDs only. And we need these IDs as an array. That's why I guess to array method, yes. So, and in order to exclude any errors, we will use it as a condition. So if categories IDs, if it exists, then we will, let's cut it from here and paste it here. Yes. So for the third, I guess, yes, for the third quote, we will use this categories IDs variable array. And let's throw some message by dying dump as, for example, synced. And if categories ID doesn't exist, we will use we will make message as failed. Yes, I guess this is it. So let's again clear our cache and try it in our browser. So let's refresh the page. Yes, we have the right message. Let's move it. Let's move to our category code table and refresh it. So now, yes, we have second and fifth categories. Let's check it here. Love and knowledge. Love and knowledge. So this is it. I think sync method is useful, especially in updating relationships. So see you in the next videos. Goodbye.